Hello viewers, welcome to Study Hour. In this video, you will get to know a very interesting phenomena that occurs in our body which can be deadly. During this COVID-19 pandemic, if you think that you're young and you have a strong immune system, so you can easily fight COVID infection, it is true for most of the cases, but for few unlucky ones, their strong immune system can be the reason for their suffering or even for their death. So let's start the video and know about the topic. First of all, let me tell you how our immune system works. Immune system is a network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to defend the body against attack by foreign invaders. These foreign invaders can be germs, that is antigens, which include bacteria, fungi, or viruses, or some other particle or some other cell which our immune system do not recognize it as their own. Okay, so that becomes antigen, and against the antigen, antibody is produced by our immune system. This is one of the function. We all have got some injuries while playing or while learning how to ride the bicycle. So the infected area, if you touch it, then it is painful, it is hot, and the area gets swelled up or it becomes red. This is also one of the function of immune system to repair the injuries. This is known as inflammation. So inflammation refers to your body's process of fighting against injuries, toxins, and infections in an attempt to heal itself. When something damages your cell, your body releases chemicals that trigger a response from your immune system. And these responses include high blood flow to the injured area with all the WBCs, that is disease fighting cells, to that very area. Because of this response, there is swelling, there is redness in that area and pain, and the area becomes hot. Okay, this is a very important, or you can say a protective function of immune system. Now, what are cytokines? Cyto means cell, kinase means movement. So cytokines are mainly helping the cells to move or to coordinate. Okay, so you can say that cytokines are signaling protein. Cytokines are secreted by cells and act on another cell to coordinate an appropriate immune response. Cytokines include interleukins, interferons, and some of the growth factors. This is the picture of cytokine. They do not have a proper shape or something. They are molecules only. Okay. What is cytokine storm? This is the phenomena that I was talking about in the beginning of this video. A cytokine storm is a condition, it is a severe immune reaction in which the body releases too many cytokines into the blood too quickly. Okay, so in a short span of time, a lot of cytokines are released by the cells. So cytokines play an important role in normal immune response, but having a large amount of them released in body all at once can be harmful. A cytokine storm is also known as cytokine storm syndrome or cytokine release syndrome. Okay, this cytokine storm mainly occurs when the immune system do not know how to destroy an antigen. Okay, so any new antigen such as bacteria, viruses, etc., when it enters in our body, our immune system try to recognize it. Usually the cytokine storm has been seen in response to an unknown or a very new antigen such as SARS-CoV-2 virus. So you can say that cytokine storm is an inflammatory response which is not regulated properly. So this cytokine storm can lead to cell death, causing organ failure and resulting in death of the person. Now, occurrence of cytokine storm. A cytokine storm can occur due to an infection such as COVID-19 infection or some other virus infection or bacterial infection, some of the autoimmune conditions or other diseases. Signs and symptoms include high fever, inflammation, that is redness and swelling. So, in case of COVID-19, the inflammation will be occurring in your throat area or in your lungs. So you will not be able to see the inflammation, okay, but the signs that high fever, severe fatigue and nausea, these are the symptoms of cytokine storm. Cytokine storm is not at all exclusive to coronavirus patient. Please do keep this in mind. This has been considered one of the reasons for deaths in cases of 1918-20 Spanish flu and also in H1N1, that is swine flu, and H5N5, that is bird flu diseases. Now, cytokine storm and COVID-19. So, in case of coronavirus infection, what happens? We inhale the coronavirus through our lungs or through mouth, and this coronavirus, it infects the throat area or the lungs. These small bubble-like structures, they are known as air sacs, which help in exchange of gases between the tissues. Okay, so in case of coronavirus infection, cytokine storm is associated with surge of activated immune cells into the lungs. Okay, the inflammation will occur in lungs. So instead of fighting off the antigen, it leads to lung inflammation. And as I've told you, whenever there is inflammation, there is increased blood flow to the region. So the fluid buildup will occur, and this will cause respiratory distress. This cytokine storm will lead to the destruction of tissues of the lungs, and air sacs will be filled with fluid, causing pneumonia, and it will not function properly, hence starving the blood of oxygen. So the person starts experiencing shortness of breath, and so this can be fatal if not diagnosed at time and properly treated. I think the topic is very much clear to you. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment section below, and do subscribe to my Study Our channel and like and share the video. Try to prevent COVID infection by following all the precautionary advices. Thank you.